Hello everyone, my name is Oxana Josan. I'm here in Ras Al Khaimah. I'm an ACCA chartered accountant and certified tax advisor. However, this is not the main thing that I want to share with you. I'm a mom to two beautiful twin girls, 9 years old. And this is actually something that makes difference. And this is something that make me focus on family and life-work balance. This is something affecting my whole life and career decisions. Why I'm here in Ras Al Khaimah? It is a long story. It started 16 years ago. We just arrived to UAE. And then around 2014, if I'm not mistaken, we went for a staycation to DoubleTree by Hilton on Marjan Island. It just opened there and it was awesome. You know, we enjoyed so much RAK that our life changed completely at that moment. And soon we moved to Ras Al Khaimah and we never regret. Actually, this is the beautiful place where you can find whatever you want, and the most important, the nature. Ras Al Khaimah has everything in it. It has mountains, it has beaches, it has golf course, and a lot of greenery here. The one which you can just see out of your window, and when you need this break for your eye, you just turn around and you see this beauty of the nature and you feel recovered, you feel energy coming from this nature. And this is something that I really love here. And also, we need to say that the comfort of Ras Al Khaimah is something, it's a game changer actually for all of us. Looking into life-work balance and focusing on it, we can really do it here in RAK. You can actually build your logistic in a way that your career and your personal life can survive together. You are able to fit into a meeting and then to drop your kids to gymnastic or any other extracurricular activities which we have here in Ras Al Khaimah, and be present both in your business life and your motherhood actually and your family life. Also, you can just go out for a dog walk and you can meet some friends, you can meet some neighbors who are waving to you. You can stop for a small talk. This is communication that we really need. This is a community that we really appreciate here in Ras Al Khaimah. I'm really fond of it. So, welcome to RAK. How do I feel being a woman in business and being a mother and living in RAK? Let me tell you, it is much more better than you really expect. I'm an advocate actually for women in leadership. Doesn't matter, is it your own business or it is a corporate job you do? The thing is that I want you to have this opportunity as a lady to do it and still be focused on your family and have that balance of being happy to make your career. This is something that I want for myself, I want for another women, and I want it for my daughters because I have two daughters. I want them to be comfortable in this world. And let me tell you that in Ras Al Khaimah, I could see the most inclusive community for ladies, for women in business. The environment, the community is so supportive. It is so different. We have a lot of women in business. I could even think of, I don't have statistics as of now. I need to do my homework. But it looks like we have more women in business in Ras Al Khaimah than men. And this is something that I love because, as I said, logistic helps to balance, and also we help each other. We have brilliant ladies here in arts, in jewelries, in law, in accounting and taxation. We have them in IT as well. Surprise? No, you can find different type of professions and women leading these companies here in RAK. It is very inclusive, it is very supportive. And let me tell you one thing. You can get your leads actually just at the playground. when you spend your time with kids, you can go to the school, to some school event or parents meeting or whatever. This is all around you. And this is really something very valuable in RAK. You feel that support, you feel that energy, and you will definitely get, at least if not partnership, if not a lead, you will get some advice, you will get some recommendation, and at least a good conversation or small talk. If we are talking about the future of Ras Al Khaimah, I'm very optimistic on it. We have a lot of signs of growth, and actually this is something that we are happy about. And all of us, we are working on Ras Al Khaimah to strive. On top of Wynn Casino, which all of you have heard about, we have other sectors being developed here and industries as well. We have production being developed. We have hospitality sectors with a lot of five-star hotels being built in Ras Al Khaimah. We have boost in real estate business as well, which is considered to be even boosting more and more day by day. So, but this is not the only thing that you can actually get in RAK. If you have any small business or medium business in production industry or commercial or whatever service you are willing to open in Ras Al Khaimah, this is the right place, because you will have very supportive team, both for free zone business setup as well as mainland business setup. If we are speaking about the leader in terms of authorities, Rakesh is one of those who will have you fully covered, starting from the business setup online, banking support, other services, and also visa, health check, and so on. On top of that, they have value-added services which you can benefit. It has never been easier to open business than now in Ras Al Khaimah. So, and we are here, a lot of professionals to support you as well, to guide you on it. It is definitely a region which you need to try for your business and your life. I can see a lot of differences happening for the last 10 years. It changed a lot. And the changes are happening that I love. We have a lot of business coming to Ras Al Khaimah, but it is not only about the business. It is about that luxury lifestyle that we get here in Ras Al Khaimah, that comfort that we get in RAK by having all just at your doorstep and still enjoying the peaceful environment here. We have a lot of art festivals and a lot of concerts coming to Ras Al Khaimah, which we definitely needed here and which we love and we visit and we happy to have them more and more. We have hospitality boosting together with real estate sector, which bring us new people coming here and bringing new energy here, new connections, partnerships, and new life. We can say that the local government is very approachable, and very happy to have feedback on their job. You can easily share it with a right person, and it can be actually solved. They are focused on solving issues, not just on having them in-house. So definitely with such approach, with such progressive vision of the ruler, we can be waiting for something good and something better, amazing coming in the region. And let's come to myself and what I am doing and what I am selling here in Ras Al Khaimah. I'm the founder of A Consulting LLC. This is a boutique consulting company which is providing accounting services and tax advisory, AML and business setup services. We have huge experience in different industries and different sectors, and we definitely can find best solution for you. We have a motto which sounds like aspire to inspire with the best business solution. We never promise, we actually do. We strive to make your business successful, and that is our main aim. How we help the community? Actually, we have me personally, I have 20 years of expertise in accounting, in tax compliance, and finally in internal controls. I have plenty of knowledge on the most common mistakes that businesses do. And I'm so happy to share this knowledge with small and medium business. This is actually my target. Why? Because large corporations, they can have very seasoned professionals in-house. But I definitely strongly believe that small and medium business also deserve that kind of expertise for a fraction of the price that corporations pay. So I'm here to help you on it. Moreover, I am sharing this information on most commonly asked questions or commonly made mistakes on my LinkedIn profile under the Red Lipstick series. So you are welcome to follow me there, and you're welcome to message me if you want something else to be discussed and shared with you. Also, welcome to my website and Instagram for following those videos for your most commonly asked questions. And if we talk about value that we can bring, I will be very honest. It is not just bookkeeping and tax compliance. However, you need to remember that tax and death are inevitable. So yes, take care of that compliance, and we are here to help you with it. However, it was always something more. When we step into a business, when we step into accounting, when we onboard a client, we usually look deeper. Since I have very huge knowledge in internal control and a lot of practice in it, I'm looking into the gaps in your processes. I'm looking into errors in your documentation, in your communication, and other business aspects. And what we do, we advise you how to address those issues. You know, in internal control, we have two actions. One is preventive action, and the second one is reactive action. So you definitely can imagine that reactive action is something that is too late to address, and you can just pay fine or sacrifice on your profits. However, preventive actions is something that you need to focus on, and we are here to help you with this. We will find those missing parts, we will do the puzzle complete, and we will discuss it with you and find a solution to address all the issues, to safeguard your assets, and bring your revenues to the best efficiency it can be brought to. So how do we help actually the business owners? We guide them. We guide them through all these complex processes and uncommon processes they are unfamiliar with in UAE. They come from different countries. They come from different jurisdictions and tax systems. And they, frankly speaking, know nothing in UAE. In this moment, we are stepping in to guide them, to help them. Even if the question goes beyond accounting and taxation, we are here for help. And the first thing that we do, we listen. We listen carefully. We listen them. We bring comfort in this conversation. We make our points and we discuss what are the issues they are facing. What are the tasks they want us to complete? Because it is always unique. And we try to find that tailored approach to each and every business. We speak easy. We don't speak jargon, because this is how they feel more comfortable contacting us. And that is how we can do it. Actually, you know, Einstein said that if you cannot say or break a problem in easy way for a non-specialist to understand it, it means that you don't know it very well on your own. So we try to break those complex things in small parts, discuss, explain, address, find a solution. And this solution can be just a conversation, just a guidance, a contact that we can share or even go together to a place. Or it can be a very complex tech program or software that can help them sort out these issues. And this is something else that we bring on the table. This is, we are fond of technology and automation because we totally believe, and me personally, I am sure that people are doing mistakes. Me too, I do mistakes. And I want everyone to understand that it is not for blaming, but for solution. How to address it in the future, how to block this situation in the future of any kind of mistake. And automation and technology can help us a lot. I like an approach of 3 questions being asked. What happened? Why did it happen? And how we can address it. This is how we actually contact our customers as well. When you answer these 3 questions, it becomes so obvious what actually you need to do to address the situation in the future. And this is our main scope, because we know businesses do mistakes and we know how to address them, how to solve this problem. And this is something that we are happy to share with you. You know, there are so many cases when people apply to us with these huge penalties of 10,000 dirhams for late registration for corporate tax. And it is such a pity because their service is so cheap and you could do it in time, just applying to a right person and asking your question, whether you are a natural person or you are an LLC. Because LLC, even with zero revenues, they must apply in time for corporate tax registration. They must register in time and they must register nil return or simplified return. And we have plenty of solutions. And this is very affordable service that you can get from a professional and save 10,000 dirhams. So please, just give us a call, message us, and we will help you to avoid such costly mistakes and such painful penalties. Another very common mistake is missing the deadline for VAT registration and leading to high penalties as well. UAE is very flexible. It is very approachable, FTA and a lot of professionals, but the penalties are huge and you need to get ready to it. We are here to monitor your sales during 12 months, 1 year, or finding a solution for you and teaching you to do so, not to miss that deadline for registration for VAT. So we are here to help you, to guide you, and make your life cost efficient. If you plan to come to Ras Al Khaimah, first of all, don't forget your sunscreen. And be sure you will never regret. The life is beautiful in Ras Al Khaimah. You will love it. And you can find out a lot of opportunities here in Ras Al Khaimah for your life and for your business. And please, be positive and contact me. I will be that person of help for you to get into the community, to get into the business, and to help you on each and every step of yours.